In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real estate AI agent in n8n. By the end, you'll have a conversation-ready assistant that engages leads, asks the right questions, and passes clean, structured data into your tools. Start by opening your n8n workspace and heading to your workflows. Create a new workflow or open an existing one you want to enhance. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later, especially if you plan to build multiple lead funnels. Next, set up how conversations or leads enter the system. Use a chat trigger when you want real-time back-and-forth conversations, such as an embedded website chat or a lead portal. If your leads come from forms, landing pages, or ads, choose a webhook. That lets external forms send data directly into your workflow. For the webhook, make sure you capture the fields you care about, like contact details and high-level preferences, and keep the payload simple so mapping is easy later. Now add the AI agent node and connect it to a chat model. Pick your preferred chat model and set same defaults for response length and creativity. Lower creativity helps the agent stay on script, which is ideal for qualifying leads. Keep credentials stored securely using n8n's Credentials Manager and avoid hard coding anything sensitive in your nodes. Define the agent's role with a strong system prompt. Tell it to act as a helpful real estate expert focused on quickly identifying buyer intent, budget range, and desired location. Instruct it to ask one question at a time, summarize key details as they are confirmed, and always be concise and friendly. Encourage it to clarify timelines, property types, and must-haves versus nice-to-haves. You can also include guidance for when the agent should wrap up the chat and hand off to a human, for example, once it has the essential qualifiers. Connect the tools that turn conversations into outcomes. Send qualified leads to your CRM with fields like name, email, budget, location, and notes from the conversation. Add an email node to confirm receipt and set expectations on next steps. If you have access to real estate data, connect a data source so the agent can reference neighborhoods, price ranges, or inventory summaries without overpromising. Finally, add memory. Connect a memory node such as window buffer memory so the agent remembers prior messages in the conversation. Set a window that's long enough to retain context like budget and location, but not so long that it becomes noisy. If privacy is important, store only what you need and avoid sensitive details. Before going live, run a quick test conversation, check outputs in the execution log, and adjust prompts or field mappings. Save your workflow, enable it, and your real estate AI agent is ready to start qualifying leads.